my name is Louise, and today when we're dancing, we're going to be looking at the difference between heavy and light. Now before we start, make sure you read our disclaimer. You've got lots of space around you, you're not going to knock anything over or hurt yourself if you hit it. You're wearing ballet shoes or socks or bare feet. And if you need water nearby, you've got that ready to go so that we're all safe and ready to dance. Okay, so when we think of something light, quite often you might think of a feather. When you think of something heavy, something that comes to mind is a cannonball, and I don't have a cannonball to hand, but I do have a metal ball. So you can see the difference between the heavy and the light. Okay, light as a feather, heavy as a metal ball. So I want you to think of these two things when we're dancing and playing between light and heavy. Okay, but first of all, let's do a really quick warm up. So in your space, just start rubbing your hands together. I'm going to get them nice and warm. Imagine you're washing your hands for 20 seconds, singing happy birthday, as we've been doing a lot lately. Okay? And then take to the backs of the hands. Stay on one arm, then you'll go up to the elbow. And imagine you're washing your whole arm now, and your shoulder. And take that across to your chest. Use two hands. Over to the other side, washing your shoulder, and your elbow, and the back of the other hand. And of course, don't forget to wash your armpits, and down the side of the body, and the other side, and across your belly, and your back. And if you can reach the top of your back, and your neck, and your face, your head, and your hips, fronts, backs, legs, and knees. Lots of attention to the knees. It's good to get them very warm. Down the legs, and the feet, if you can reach. And the other side. Your whole body, think bottom to top. Whoosh down your limbs, down your body. Whoosh up. Okay, just push it all the way. Shake your hands off. Dry your hands as well. Dry your arms. Give them a shake. Give your whole body a shake. And your hips. And your legs. And rub your cheek. And I think we're a bit warmer now. We're ready to go. So, I want you to just think of one body part at a time. So let's start with your head. Thinking that your head is heavy. So it might drop to one side, roll around. So you have a heavy head. Move some of the rest of your body. And I think you have a light head. Imagine almost as if your head is a helium balloon. So it's trying to leave the rest of your body and float up into space. And then heavy head again. Light head. Heavy head into light head. And let's take that now to the shoulders. So think heavy shoulders, you can go from one to the other. You might also go into your arms. So let's do shoulders and arms together. So heavy arms or limbs. And then light. So let's do upper body. So light upper body. Imagine you're like that feather now that we saw at the beginning, floating along Maybe a bit more movement this time. So you're heavy, but you're also flinging the weight around. So moving around with that weight. And then mix heavy and light. Heavy and light. Heavy, heavy, light. Heavy, very heavy. So more of your body is involved now. Really think of heavy limbs and then light limbs. Heavy again, light. Very heavy. Hands up. Don't forget your head down and turn back in. Heavy, light. Keep going between heavy and light, however you choose. Now you might find that you're doing quite a lot of swinging, and that's because when we do swings in dance, quite often you're using that difference between using the weight of your body to release into a movement and then catching the weight, so it feels very light. So release and catch, release and catch, release and catch. Now in your own way, in your own time, play with again different body parts, different timings, different moments of heavy and light. It can be really small. It could be your fingers are heavy and light. That's quite difficult. It could just be your hands. See if you can restrict the body parts you're moving. It gets quite hard then. You're really focusing on one body part between heavy and light. Heavy and light. And then just coming, just slow it down a little bit. So just think one part at a time, heavy and then light, and then hold the light for a little bit longer. So heavy, lightweight. Cannonball, feather. Cannonball, feather. And then only thinking about being a feather. So only think about being lightweight. It doesn't matter which body part you're thinking of. You might be thinking of your whole body at this point. But barely any gravity, so barely any weight being pulled down. It's all about floating, lightweight. So as if you're on the moon and you barely weigh anything. You're very light. Because there's less gravity. So that means that your movements will slow down a little bit. And just finish with your feet being cannonballs, lower body being cannonballs, upper body as high as you can reach being light, but almost too light, almost as if you're trying to escape from your lower body. And relax and shake it all off. Well done. So those qualities of heavy and light we use a lot as we're dancing to make it more exciting and more interesting. If you think when the company ballet dancers do how to do it, when they're dancing together, they need to make it look very light, when actually the dancers they're lifting might be very heavy, and they're lifting them up, showing that lightness, and then they might drop and catch them, or they might do a spin. So turning is using a lot of that weight around, but then finishing and looking effortlessly light at the end, jumping if you think you've got that light weight, but you have to come down. Your bodies are quite heavy, but you're trying to show it in a different way. Okay, maybe trying to show it landing lightly, or maybe you're using the weight to take you into the floor. So we use heavy and light a lot as we're dancing, so it's a really useful skill to master that change between those two feelings. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're enjoying the rest of the videos with Ballet Cymru. See you soon. Bye.